Hi, my name is Alicia, and I'm the Director of Product Management here at CSA360. Today, I'd like to share with you changelogs, one of the newest ways CSA360 is revolutionizing the security industry. Changelogs provide a super easy way to view the history of all incidents, dispatch tickets, and forms. This is now available in CSA360 version 6.4. Let's head to CSA360 to see how it works. I'm here in the Incidents module, and I'm starting out by creating a new incident report. For this incident, we're going to pretend that somebody fell down the stairs. So I'm starting by putting out the basic information, like the incident type, the facility, and an individual name. Then I'm submitting the incident. Once the incident's submitted, I can view it in the archive. Selecting it opens up its detailed view. Here we can start to see the changelog on the left. Click to expand it, you can see that the incident was created. Now I'm going to edit the incident and change some of the basic information. Let's say that our personnel got the information wrong. We want to add a location and then edit the individual so he's a witness and not a victim. His name's actually Johnny, and he didn't fall down the stairs himself. He just saw somebody else fall down the stairs. I'm also going to add a narrative. Once I'm done editing, I can scroll down to the bottom to save the changes. Now, when I view the form in the archive, I can see the changelog on the left and view my edits. The old information is in red and the new information is in the normal black font. I can still go back and view the original form by selecting the Created option. Changelogs allow for traceability of events, meaning that you can go back and see what time information was added or edited and by who. It also builds the foundation for so much more in CSA 360, like redacting forms and sending forms natively in the software. That's it. Thank you for watching. For more information on CSA 360, you can visit CSA360.app. To submit feedback on this new feature or any other questions for existing clients, please visit our service desk at archontech.atlassian.net/service desk. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.